This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tongs, specifically these bar Lux Ice Tongs. They're 6 1/4 inches long, and they come in several finishes. They're all stainless steel, and we have here the copper plated and the gold plated. They also come in a black plated and a classic silver stainless steel finish as well. These are great for use with foods or ice. They have serrated ends for a nice secure grip on whatever you're picking up. So whether that's ice cubes, ice spheres, or a variety of foods like maybe some cured meats, cheese, fruits, veg, pastries, whatever, you're gonna get a nice grip on that. The colors mean that it's easy to pick ones that go with the aesthetic of your event or bar. And there's also coordinating bar tools available for a really attractive, stylish, and classy setup. It's easy to rinse or wipe and wash these down as needed, and it's recommended that you hand wash these items to maintain the finish. The convenient size means that they're easy to handle and perfect for use, whether that's grabbing foods or ice with ease without contaminating them. It keeps your hand far enough away from the food without being too large or unmanageable. So it's going to be easy to grip and control that while keeping your hands away from foods, making them perfect for buffets as well as the bar. These are going to be perfect for restaurants, bars, hotels, buffets, and caterers, or for use if you're just entertaining at home.